Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how to delete your browsing history. We need to click here, and here we have this delete browsing data. You can use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus del, mean delete on your keyboard. And the second way that you can delete your browsing history is that you need to click on the settings. If you don't want to directly click on delete browsing history, then we need to click on privacy and security. Under that, you can find the delete browsing data. I'm going to click at that. When you click, so there is two options available here. The first is the basic and the second is the advanced. With the basic, what you can delete here is that you can choose the browsing history here, the cookies and other site data, which signs you out, or most sites you'll stay signed in to Google account. And next we have the cached image and files. And also for time range, what you can select is this last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or the time. For the advanced, what you can choose here is this browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data. And if I scroll down, you can see the cached image and files, password and other sign-in data, autofill, form data, site settings, and the hosted app data. For the advanced also, I can select any time range like last hour, last 24 hours, and also I can select all time. So I'm going to select last hour and click on delete data. And it's going to delete my browsing data for the last hour. So this is how we can delete browsing history with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys in the next video.